is not a laptop, it's creativity unleashed.
The ThinkPad gives me the impression that it's been made to be enjoyed.
And that's a strong product track record over the years of giving customers the ultimate in beauty and power.
My role involves identifying all of the hardware needs for the various work streams throughout the company and then finding an appropriate model of desktop, laptop or workstation to match those needs. Lenovo is present in our workflow right through from the design of the cars to the production. My first impressions when I first seen the ThinkPad P1 was I didn't actually believe that we could get everything that I was asking for inside something as small and light in comparison to other mobile workstations. That was one of the I can't believe this is real sort of moments for me. It's been a gap in the market for so long.
It's pretty impressive when you consider it's got an extremely top-end NVIDIA graphics card and it's got a lot of processing power.
The ThinkPad P1 really just has a lot more flexibility, particularly in our engineering, where they need to do a lot of work on 3D and different to the type of usage that I have.
The portability in general while you're going around on a wind tunnel, which is not always easy, and going on a track, there's not always necessarily a desk there, so having a lightweight, very powerful laptop is extremely useful. It can take a Xeon processor, which can support ECC RAM when we're trying to load a full car and when we're analysing large simulation results from our CFD post-processing, for example. It needs a pretty powerful machine.
I think cool design is important, but that has to be combined with practicality. It has to tick a lot of boxes, and I think the ThinkPad P1 does that and makes it a useful bit of kit for our team to use.
It's come a long way to be able to deliver this. I hate to use the word game changer, but it is that for us. Aston Martin use lots of different software. We use applications on our CAD stack such as Viz, NX. You look at design, we use Autodesk, Adobe. We basically cover every application category that you can think of. Lenovo Performance Tuner allows us to keep the profiles changing and adapting to the application that the users are running and really gives us the best benefit from those workstations continuously.
Utilising AI certainly has got to be taken into account when we're choosing our hardware. The ThinkPad P1's specs are absolutely excellent. We certainly are looking to include things like machine learning and pattern recognition to be able to pull out trends and things like that we wouldn't usually see because there's just so much data. Aston Martin's got a lot of different projects going on at the moment. There's some pretty exciting projects and a pretty versatile range coming out. Having Lenovo as a partner is certainly going to ensure that future.